the neck. Put it in the grinder. Snap the neck. Put it in the grinder. A new one. What are you doing over there? What are you doing there, little guy? Hey. All right, little guy. You have a seat up there, huh? It's pretty nice, huh? Little baby chicken. You know what? I'll call you Ricardo. Oh, crap. I took this one's head clear off, Ricardo. Lunchtime. Baby chicken. The baby chicken. It's not easy, little chicken. Hey. You like that? Cool scarf. It's back to work, baby chicken. Huh? You like that, don't you? Well, looks like it's time to go home, baby chicken.